Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet on your phone. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips for joining meetings on the go with ease. Let's dive in. First things first, you must have the Google Meet app downloaded on your smartphone. And if you do not have this yet, head over to the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Google Meet. And once you find it, hit install button. And once it is installed, open the app and log in using your Google account. But make sure you use the account you want to associate with your meetings because this is how people will recognize you when you join. And after logging in, this is the interface you will land on. Now let's say you received an invite to a meeting. So what you have to do is, at the top of your screen you will see this bar. Click on it. Now you have to enter that code here. So simply type that code into the field and then click on join in the top right corner. And if you would like to host a meeting, on the main interface you will see a button New Meeting in the bottom right corner. Click on it and a menu will appear with these couple of options. The first is Create a new meeting. Click on it and this will generate a meeting link that you can copy and share with others. So be sure to save this link for future use. Now, depending on the apps installed on your device, the Share Invite button will present different sharing options. So you can share the link via text, email, or social media. And if you would prefer to schedule the meeting for later, click on Schedule in Google Calendar, and this will open the Google Calendar app where you can set up a future Google Meet video call. Now, to start a meeting, click on Create a new meeting link, and here you can see at the bottom Join Meeting option. Click on it, and you will land on screen like this. Here, click on Join in the middle of the screen to join the meeting. As the host, you will be the only participant until other joins. And if someone who was not invited tries to join, a dialog box will appear giving you the option to admit or deny them. And if you want to see the people who have joined your meeting, for this, click on the video calls code at the top of the screen and the people tab will show you who's in the call. As the organizer, you can click on the three dots next to the participant names and you can see the mute option, so you can mute them. And if you click on those three vertical dots, and you will see these different options, or here again you can mute them or remove them from the call. In the top right corner, you will see several controls. The first is this audio icon, which allows you to switch between your phone speaker and the other audio option like Bluetooth devices. If you would like to see yourself on the main screen, click on the three dots on the smaller screen displaying your video and now click on Make your video full screen. This will switch your view, making you the primary video on the screen. And if you need to send a message to everyone in the call, click on three vertical dots in the bottom and from the menu that appear, tap on In-Call Messages. Now you can type your message into the field and then click on the send arrow. Remember, only people in the call can see your messages and they will disappear once the meeting ends. And if someone shares a file during the meeting, you will see that here as well. And if you need to invite more people while meeting is in progress, then again click on those three dots and here you will find an option of Add Others. So you can send a text, email, or even share the meeting link through social media. And if you want to share your screen, again click on three dots at the bottom and from the menu that appears, click on Share Screen and this will broadcast your entire device screen to everyone in the meeting. Keep in mind that the mobile app will show your whole screen, not just a specific app or tab like on a desktop. Unlike the desktop version, the mobile app does not allow you to change your background or layout. However, if you are in a meeting with more than two people, you can tap on any participant's thumbnail at the bottom to bring their video to the main screen. Let's look at the icon at the bottom of the screen. The microphone icon allows you to mute or unmute yourself. And the video icon controls whether your camera is on or off. So you can adjust these settings throughout the call depending on your needs. And once you're done with your meeting, click on the End Call button at the bottom of the screen to leave the video call. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.